Our Earth is a unique planet. It is the only planet in our solar system that has water and air. Our Earth has land masses and water bodies. The large land masses are called continents. The large water bodies are called oceans. Now let's talk about shape of the earth. In ancient times, people believed that the earth was flat and has steep edges. Ferdinand Magellan, a Portuguese explorer, sailed around the world and proved that the earth is round. Pictures taken from space have also proved that the earth is like a sphere. It is round but is slightly flattened at the top and at the bottom. Globe. It's a true model of the earth. Now let's talk about the globe. What is a globe? To study the earth, we need its model. A globe is a simple and accurate model of the earth. It shows the distribution of land and water on the surface of the earth. We can also see the correct shape, size, and location of continents and oceans on a globe. But we cannot always use a globe to study the earth. Why? This is because a large globe is difficult to carry around. A globe is small and all the details of a place cannot be shown on it. We cannot make a globe for a part of the earth. Only one half of the earth can be seen at a time on a globe. So these are some limitations of globe. For deep study of any area, we require maps. So what is a map? A map is a representation of the earth's surface or a part of it on a flat surface. The word map comes from the Latin word mappo, which means a napkin. Gerardus Mercator, a Flemish map maker, was the first to publish a collection of maps in the form of a book. A book of map is called an atlas. We can draw maps on a flat surface to show continents, countries, cities, and even neighborhood. You can draw a map of your school and show all the details on it. In this way, a map is better than a globe. However, the earth is spherical in shape and its surface is curved. A curved surface cannot be shown correctly on a flat surface such as paper. Try to cover a ball with a sheet of paper without crushing it. You will find difficult to do so. So, it is not possible to make an accurate map of a curved surface. And you know very well, small areas can be represented fairly accurately on maps. So this makes maps useful tools to study the earth or any part of it. Now let's discuss about types of maps. The first type is political maps. So political maps are those maps which show continents and countries and states and cities. They show political boundaries of these all the areas. So these are political maps. Second one is physical maps. So physical maps are those maps which show all the physical features available on the Earth's surface. For example, mountains, plateaus, plains, rivers, etc. And third category is thematic maps. Thematic maps are those maps which show a particular theme on the earth or any part of the earth in any area. Particular theme like forest in a particular region, road map, population map, rainfall, soil, crops in any area, and natural resources, minerals. When a particular theme is represented with any kind of map, so that map is known as thematic map. So three kinds of maps are: political map shows the political boundaries of countries, physical maps show the physical features, and thematic maps show a particular theme. Next one is reading maps. So maps give us lots of information about a country or a place. We must know how to read a map and understand the information which it provides. Every map has some basic features. They are as follows. First one is directions. All maps follow a system of directions. The four major directions are north, south, east, and west. The top of the map is north. The bottom of the map is south. East is to the right and west is to the left. The direction on a map can also be shown by an arrow marked with English letter N, which points towards the north direction. The other directions are then easy to find. We can also mark the four intermediate directions on a map, which are: northeast lies between north and the east. Northwest lies between the north and the west. Southeast is between south and the east. Southwest lies between south and the west. Next is scale. It is not possible to show the actual size of the earth on a map because it is too large. Let us suppose that the ground distance between Delhi and Agra is 200 km. It is not possible to show these cities at 200 km from each other on the map. Therefore, this distance is represented by a smaller unit, like 5 cm on the map. So the ratio between the distance on the ground and the distance on the map is known as the scale on the map. In this case, we would write it 5 cm is equal to 200 km. So maps are always drawn to scale. Very simple to understand. The long distance available on the ground, that is reduced on a map and shown in smaller units. So that is called scale. Next one is symbols. There is not enough space on a map to show mountains, rivers, lakes, bridges, dams, temples, church, railway tracks, etc. However, a map without to show variety of things on the map like railway lines, roads, boundaries, rivers, well, tank, canal, bridge, etc. Different kind of symbols are used, as you can see on the screen, for post office, for church, for temple, for grass, for trees. All different symbols are used. So without symbol, maps are not complete. Symbols are necessary elements of a map. Now let's talk about colors. We use different colors to show variety of things on a map. Generally, maps follow a common color scheme. For example, on a physical map, water bodies are shown in shades of blue. Light blue is used for shallow waters and darker shade of blue for deep waters. Plains or lowlands are shown in shades of green. Highlands are shown in shades of brown. A key is given on a map to help us understand the color scheme and symbols used. Look at this map. Its key shows the height of land above the sea level or depth of water below sea level. It also shows what the colors represent on the map. So in this chapter, that's name is Know Your Planet. You have visualized and studied many things like shape of the earth, what is globe, what is the benefit, and what are the limitations of a globe. Maps and types of maps. Map reading and some elements of map reading like directions, scale, symbols, and colors. So I hope you have understood these all things. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.